What's going on? This was about Arken Age. I'm not gonna do a review on it because there's a million of those out there. I just wanted to bring you guys some non-stop combat on this game. If you like this video, please hit that like button. And if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing. Here is the video. Check it out.
Let's shoot this guy. All right. Oh. Hey, show me that in training. Yep, let's go. Definitely. Reminds me of, who's this guy? This guy. This is good there. Hit that. Hit that way. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah, boy.
Further research should be dedicated to their evolutionary development, as there are a number of anomalies in their genetic makeup. Mannix out.
Yeah. Yeah, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Nope, too slow. Oh, come on, come on, come on. There you go. Come to. Let's go. I'm trying to be a Jedi. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I think I need that. Oh. Alright, I think I'm getting the hang of it. Alright. That was pretty hot. Here. My aim sucks.
thought I heard something.
That was hilarious.